Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Mark, the Pond Advisor, and I've been a water gardener for over 3.5 decades. And I've got a really important video to shoot today for us keen gardeners. That video is how to keep a garden pond clean. Let's get started. A garden pond is a beautiful addition to any garden, but it requires some effort and maintenance in the cleanliness and to ensure the aquatic life is kept healthy and happy. In this video, I'll show you some tips and tricks that you can use to keep your garden pond clean and clear. So let's dive in. Installing a good filtration system. The first and most important thing you need to keep your garden pond clean is to install a good filtration system. A good filtration system helps remove debris, dirt, all of the organic matter from your pond, which in turn helps keep the water clear and healthy for your fish and plants. The second tip today is to use plants to help purify the water. Aquatic plants such as water lilies, marginals, bog plants will all help absorb the nutrients and pollutants from the water, which will keep your pond clear and clean. Overcrowding the pond with too many fish leads to excessive waste and debris, which makes the pond dirty and unhealthy. So make sure that you keep the fish in your pond in check to provide them with enough space so they can swim and grow. There are multiple videos on this channel. It's all about if you add load to the system, it's going to add waste to the system. So controlling the amount of fish is my third tip. The fourth tip is to perform regular maintenance on your garden pond. This includes removing dead leaves, trimming the plants. If you follow the 4 Ds, that's the dead, dying, diseased and detail, you should be okay with most plants. Cleaning the filters regularly and performing these tasks on a regular basis will ensure that your pond stays clean and healthy. The fifth and final tip I'm going to say today is add beneficial bacteria. These bacteria help break down the organic matter and waste in your water, which can help keep your pond clean and clear. You can find these beneficial bacteria on Water Features shop. Yes, you can have a pond without a proper filtration system, without plants, without controlling the fish, without doing regular maintenance, but it will catch up with you. It's the same with adding beneficial bacteria. If you don't add beneficial bacteria, then you're going to have an organic buildup. It could lead to ammonia problems. It could be leading to algae issues. It could be leading to brown water issues. My name's Mark, the Pond Advisor, and I'm here to support you dream, plan and enjoy ponds and water features. Till next time, see you in another video.